In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book Turo. Think of this as your friendly walkthrough from first search to final confirmation so you can reserve the right car with confidence and no surprises. Start by opening your browser and searching for Turo. Click the official result to head to the website or open the Turo app if you prefer mobile. Once you're in, log into your account. If you're new, you'll be guided to create one, which is quick and helps Turo confirm you're eligible to drive. Next, enter where you want to pick up the vehicle. You can type a city, an airport, or a specific address. Be as precise as possible so you'll see cars that are actually convenient to reach. Now choose your exact start and end dates and times. Accuracy matters here because availability, pricing, and delivery options depend on your schedule. If your flight arrives late or you plan an early return, match those details so you won't have to change anything later. Before browsing, tap the filter button to narrow your results. You can select vehicle type like SUVs, electric cars, trucks, or luxury models, so you're only seeing what fits your trip. You can also enable all-star hosts to surface highly rated, experienced owners. And if you don't want to wait for approval, turn on Instant Book so your reservation confirms immediately when you pay. Browse the listings that match your budget and passenger needs. When a car looks promising, open the listing to read the description, house rules, and guest reviews. This is where you'll catch important details like charging requirements for EVs, pet and smoking policies, or special pickup instructions. Check the distance included section so you know how many miles or kilometers are covered. If you expect to drive farther, look at the cost for additional distance and make sure it still fits your plan. Select your pickup and return location. Many hosts offer delivery to airports, hotels, or custom addresses for an added fee, while others provide a convenient self-pickup. Choose what saves you time and money. When you're ready, continue to check out. Provide your contact details, the name exactly as it appears on your driver's license, and your age. Turo may prompt basic verification to meet local driving requirements. Enter your payment information. Most major credit cards are accepted, along with Apple Pay and Google Pay in supported regions. Finally, confirm by selecting Book Trip or Request Trip. Instant Book confirms right away. Request Trip sends it to the host for approval. Afterward, watch for your confirmation, review pickup instructions in the app, and message the host with any timing updates. That's it. Your Turo is booked and you're ready to roll.